Water, the source of life and the mirror of nature. On this planet, every drop of water carries a rhythm of life, connecting humanity and nature. But facing the increasingly severe environmental challenges, how can we ensure the sustainability of water resources to benefit both humanity and nature? Today, we'll take you to Lake Ulansuhai in Inner Mongolia, China, to explore how innovative ecological governance methods here review the concept of water for humans and nature. The lake is located at the Great Bend of the Yellow River. It's one of China's 8 largest freshwater lakes. Covers an area of 293 square kilometers. It is the largest functional wetland in the Yellow River Basin, playing crucial roles in water volume regulation, water purification, and flood and ice prevention. Extensive agricultural withdrawal, industrial wastewater, and the degradation of the surrounding ecological functions once made the future of this water body uncertain. The governance of lake issues lies not only within the lake itself, but also in the surrounding areas. It requires an integrated production and systematic management approach that encompasses mountains, rivers, forests, fields, lakes, grasslands, and deserts. Shifting from lake governance to watershed management, it's essential to address point sources, no-point sources, and international sources simultaneously. The fate of the Lake Ulansuhai has been turned around. Its aquatic ecological environment has steadily improved, and the diversity continues to recover. As a young scholar rooted in Lake Ulansuhai and participating in the scientific research there, I have had the privilege to witness this transformation firsthand. Our research focuses on improving water quality, protecting biodiversity, and enhancing the lake self-recovering capabilities. This story is one of hope, science, and innovative governance. It shows us that even in the face of severe ecological crisis, through collective efforts and scientific governance and protection methods, we can restore the beauty of the nature and ensure the sustainable use of water resources. As we have seen in Lake Ulansuhai, protecting water resources and maintaining ecological balance can ultimately lead to harmonious ecosystems between humans and nature. Let us work together for our shared future.